Damn, do you see that girl over there? She's got this fly-ass Gucci on, and her car too is all Gucci down. It's murdered out in Gucci. Oh shit, but I heard she got that shit from China.
What's up, you guys? It's J Bunny and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you another unboxing straight from China off the app DHgate, where today I purchased another luxury designer item on the low for that low cheap price hack from DHgate app right on my iPhone. And yeah, I wanted to unbox it with you guys right here on camera. It took 5 weeks to get here. It came in this shabby cardboard box. I have no idea what it's gonna look like on the inside of the box, so let's go ahead and just jump right into it because I know that's what you're here for and I'm here for it too. Let's open it. Ooh. Oh my god, this box is freaking big. So yeah, you guys, I got this off the DHgate app. I searched for G-print designer car seats in order to find what I was looking for. And yeah, it was super easy. I ordered it right on the app. Oh my god, this is a struggle. Okay, so I just spent a couple minutes struggling with the packaging. I'm not gonna lie, they really had this thing taped up. It was a struggle to get into the box for real, but you know what? That's a good thing because it has to go through customs and it has to do all that other kind of stuff, so at least I know nothing fell out of the box. So yeah, let's dive right in. Whew. Oh my god, this is freaking nice. So check it out. I paid $114 for this pack of full car seat covers. It covers the whole car, front seats, back seats. I paid $114 plus $64 shipping. Really great price for this Gucci print car seat cover package. I mean, look at the print. It is super nice. Let's get it out of this bag. Smells brand new. Wow, it's real leather, you guys. Okay, you guys, so it comes with a bunch of accessories, which I'm super excited about, and that's what sold me on the package. So let's go through each thing that it comes with one by one. The first thing that I see are these cute little headrests. They come with this nice elastic on the back, so you can simply slip them over the back of your headrest like this, and you can be looking fly and be comfortable at the same time. So I really love these. It comes with 2 of them, so that's really awesome. Of course, you're gonna need one for yourself and one for your passenger, so no worries, this set comes with both. And yeah, I can't wait to put this on. The second thing that it comes with that really sold me as well were these awesome pillows just for your back. They go ahead and go right behind you. You simply have them in your car and it's looking all sweet, like you have a nice couch setup in your car, and when your passenger comes in, they're treated to a nice luxurious sitting experience. So I definitely love these. Both of these items have the Gucci print fabric on the front, and then on the back they have a really nice soft brown buttery leather. And of course, the main part of the product is the seat covers themselves. So let me show you these things. They are really nice quality. I mean, when I say this leather is buttery, it is buttery, soft, luxurious. This is nice. I am loving the quality, and you're gonna want to sit on this all day long. Even the seat covers, it has this nice cushion on the side, and so that is super nice as well. They definitely didn't spare anything when it came to quality on this. This is a 100% quality product, so I am really happy with this purchase. It has nice little straps that connect in the back. Also, it comes with a back part This part goes over the back of your front seats so that the passengers in the back have somewhere to put their items. So overall, I definitely give the front seat covers a 10. I mean, the print is legit. It's this nice Gucci print. No one's even gonna know that it's not real Gucci. This is also a car seat package for your whole car. So it comes with full rear seat coverage. These are those. So yeah, you guys, the back seats seem to be the same exact quality, which is really nice. It's really thick, so you're not gonna have a problem of someone sitting on it and ripping it with their jeans. And the back of the fabric is backed with felt, so it's definitely not going to harm your original seat covers either. The set that I purchased comes with one more great accessory that completes the look for your car, and it's a steering wheel cover. This has its own packaging. I cannot wait to be driving around with this. I give this purchase a 10. It was super easy to buy. The seller was super communicative. The shipping was as expected. Yeah, I hope you freaking like these things as much as I do. Right after unboxing this, I installed these Gucci car seats right in my car, and it looks so amazing that I want to show you guys, and I got inspired to make a little song too, so check it out, enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.
Damn, do you see that girl over there? She's got this fly-ass Gucci on, and her car too is all Gucci down. It's murdered out in Gucci. Oh shit, but I heard she got that shit from China. All in my way, Gucci designer, got everybody looking at me. Big designer, all in my way, Gucci designer, got everybody looking at me. Got that Gucci swag, got that D&G swag, got that Versace, you can't help but watch me. Gucci glasses sparkling, Gucci bling bling, glasses match my diamond ring, dripping diamonds got me singing. Got that Gucci swag, got that D&G swag, got that Versace, you can't help but watch me. Gucci glasses sparkling, Gucci bling bling, glasses match my diamond ring, dripping diamonds got me singing. Big designer, all in my way, Gucci designer, got everybody looking at me. Big designer, all in my way, Gucci designer, got everybody looking at me. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's the Gucci girl herself. It's J Bunny, and you already know what to do. It's that time to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can come back for more sick-ass videos like this. You heard?